Hey, welcome back. So I have been married for almost 9 years, and this ring I have lost on 2 different occasions. The first time for maybe a year before I found it under the oven, and then just recently I lost it around last Thanksgiving, found it again in April, and well, I found it in a box of important things. So, as one student told me, that was a good place to put it, but I forgot that that's where I put it. So, I have decided to make a spot on my phone stand to keep the ring. All I need is a drill press and a Forstner bit. Let's get to work. I've already got a mark where I want the center of the hole to be, so I just need to get that lined up. And I've also got a depth stop set on the side. A little bit of sanding to soften up the edge at the top, and a little bit of paste wax. Should have done this when I first built the stand, which was been several years ago. It's gonna make the wood grain, the levels, the layers of the plywood really pop out. Alright, just need to work it in and get the excess off, and that is going to do it for this project. Not everything has to be a big project. I built this charging stand years ago, and honestly it has probably gotten the most use out of any of my projects, and now it'll get a little bit more. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're still watching, well, I do want to apologize for the clickbait title, but hopefully this does keep me from losing my ring a third time, and that's gonna make my wife happy. So have a great week, and as always, get out there and make some sawdust.